1. And then based on what we just learned, man, we know which we are going to have multiples of the numerical values. Now remember, what did we say in maths? We say if they didn't write anything here, it means with this thing here, it's all over 1. There's nothing here, so we'll just put 1 in. So what are the numbers that we're dealing with? The numerical values that we're dealing with? We're dealing with 1, we're dealing with 4, and then we're also dealing with 1 with 3. Let's find the multiples. We're not looking for the factors. We're looking for multiples. Since we're dealing with what? With fractions. So what are going to be the multiples of 1? You say 1 plus 1 again. Then you get what? 2. You get what? You get what? 5. Okay. Okay, what are the multiples of 4? 8, 12, 16, 20, 54. Factors of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Is there anything which seems to appear in all 3 of them? And then 1 we can ignore 1 for now. So what are the factors that seem to appear on 4 and 3? The multiple one, not factors. So the lowest one is 12. Okay, I'm going to take the 12 and put it here. And then from there I have x squared and then I have x cubed. Remember, what did we say? Which one do we take? We take the one with the highest exponent. Okay? So I'm going to put x cubed here. We have y, we don't have any y here. So what are we going to have here? Now that you have your LCD or your lowest common denominator, you go to each and every time you multiply it by the lowest common denominator. So you come here and say, this multiplied by 12x squared 1. You come to this one. Oh, that's cube. Okay, let me put it here. So you have 1 again. Multiplied by 12x cubed 1. This is all over 1 again. Yeah, you do it like this. Plus, you have 1 all over 4x squared 1. Multiplied by 12x cubed 1. Minus, again. You have x minus 2 all over x multiplied by 12x squared 1. Let's start with this one. This one multiplied by this one is going to give us exactly the same thing again. Yes. So we're going to have 12x squared 1. X cubed 1. Yes. Okay, plus here, there's something that is on the numerator and something that is on the denominator. So you will say 12 divided by 4. What is 12 divided by 4? You get 3. And then you'll say x squared and x cubed. You get what? X. Bases are the same, you subtract the exponent. Okay? And then you have y and then also have y. What's going to happen? They're going to give us 1. Okay? So you don't have to write that one. You move on. Minus, open bracket. Here, you have 3 into 12. What is 3 into 12? So you have x minus 2. And then you have 4. Okay? And then you have x squared and x squared. What is x squared and x squared? And then we're left with 1 with 1. And then you've seen, I put them inside a bigger bracket because of this negative. You see this negative here? This negative is going to affect everything which is inside there. So let's simplify this a little bit further. So I have 12x cubed, okay? Y, plus 3x, minus open bracket. Now, remove the bracket. This one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one. It gives us 4xy. This one multiplied by this one, minus 8y. And then from here, you can say negative multiplied by positive. What is negative multiplied by positive? Yeah, let's not forget the denominator. They say that's one of the mistakes that we make. We then don't write the LCD. When you are working with fractions, you write the LCD. The LCD always has to be there. X cubed y. Okay, let's remove this thing here. If we remove it, let me remove it here. So if I multiply, it's going to say negative multiplied by positive, I get what? A negative. Negative multiplied by positive, it gives me what? A positive. And then here, you come and check. Are there any items? Are there any things that you can still add here? On the numerator, check your numerator. Are there any things that you can still add? There are none. And then you're officially done with your question. This is your final answer. Let's go to our activity here then.